Hey guys, welcome to the channel, That Sloppy Vegan, where we make comfort foods more readily and easily accessible to people who are not vegan or vegetarian or just don't have the time to cook. There's a common misconception that veganism or just vegan food in itself is kind of, I don't know, boring, tasteless. And I feel like a lot of people kind of think that vegans just eat things like salads or fruit, nuts, whatever, where you get, you know, all the general stuff that you kind of see at non-vegan restaurants that are selling vegan options, which is just, to me, just like salads, veggie burgers, just nothing that people generally kind of want to eat, right? People just kind of stay away from salads and that jazz. So the point of this channel is just kind of to open up the gates for those people who kind of, you know, follow that social misconception that just veganism is just boring, and you know, and make foods that everybody just wants to enjoy, you know, sloppy, comforting foods, comfort foods that people, you know, enjoy eating, taking things like fast food menu items that people love and just putting like a vegan twist on it and just trying, you know, try to make our own version of that menu item and just make a vegan version of it and see if we can make it tasteful. So